The Makita DHU 606 cordless hedge trimmer is designed to deliver precise, efficient cutting for hedges, combining a 23.6-inch blade with a powerful brushless motor for long-lasting performance. Weighing just 3.1 kilograms with the battery, it's perfect for professionals and gardeners alike, minimizing fatigue during extended use. With a cutting capacity of 20 millimeters, 4,000 strokes per minute, and up to 70 minutes of runtime, it ensures both smooth and powerful performance. Safety features like the two-handed switch and electric brake provide added protection, making it a well-rounded tool for hedge maintenance at around $300. The Primegrip CLAWVERINE is not just any standard tool. It's designed for efficiency and precision, especially in roofing and demolition tasks. With its 15-inch length, you can easily reach those tight spaces and pull nails from step flashing without damaging shingles or walls. Its 6 unique nail pullers, along with a flat claw head, ensure that every job is done with minimal effort. Made from military-grade steel for maximum durability, this tool will stand the test of time on any job site. All this power and precision comes at just $75. The Letti Autohammer is a highly efficient battery-powered stapling tool designed to make mounting staples a breeze. Running on a 12-volt lithium-ion battery, it's perfect for cable staples, offering precise power and ease of use. With 2 3Ah batteries included, you'll have extended operating time, so there's no need to stop mid-task. It can handle staple lengths between 16 to 25 millimeters, making it versatile for various stapling jobs, especially when working on cable installations. Weighing just 4.3 kilograms with the battery, it's ergonomic and ideal for professionals. The Worx MK2 knife and tool sharpener is not just another sharpener. It's a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and pros alike. With its flexible abrasive belts and dual-speed motor, you can easily sharpen everything from kitchen knives to lawn tools, like axes and mower blades. Its built-in angle guide ensures that every pass brings your blade to razor-sharp precision at either 20 degrees or 25 degrees. Weighing just 3 pounds, it's compact but powerful enough to handle all your sharpening needs for around $110. The ToughBuilt GelFit trademark knee pads are designed to offer unmatched comfort and stability for professionals working on their knees for long periods. The gel and foam padding conforms to your knee's shape, providing excellent support and reducing fatigue. Thanks to the interchangeable snap-shell system, these knee pads can adapt to different tasks, ensuring versatility on any job site. With their abrasion-resistant fabric and wide base, they provide rock-solid stability and prevent pressure on your ankles, making them a perfect companion for construction, flooring, or any long-term kneeling work, all for just $60. The Milwaukee M12 Color Match Light is a powerful tool designed for professionals who need precise lighting to match colors, especially in painting and detailing work. With a 98+ color rendering index and 5 different color temperature settings, this light mimics natural sunlight to reveal every detail and imperfection. Its 1000 lumen output offers bright, even coverage, and the magnetic base provides convenient hands-free use. Durable and versatile, it's built for rugged conditions, ensuring water and dust resistance while withstanding drops of up to 6 feet, priced at around $199. The BinyaTools magnetic wristband is a practical gadget for anyone who needs to keep small metal tools like screws and nails within easy reach while working. Equipped with strong magnets, it securely holds these items, so you won't need to fumble through your toolbox. Its ergonomic design also provides wrist support, reducing strain during long tasks. The added thumb loop ensures a stable fit, making it an ideal tool for electricians, handymen, or DIYers. Priced around $20, it's a simple yet effective solution for busy hands. The Primegrip Knuckle Saver roofing knife is specifically crafted for roofing professionals. designed with an extended 8-inch handle to keep your knuckles safe from scraping against shingles. Weighing just 0.40 pounds, it offers a lightweight yet durable experience. Its bulging grip ensures a firm hold, while the angled handle makes it perfect for cutting around tight corners and tricky spots like dormers. Built from die-cast aluminum with a reinforced zinc edge, it's made to last. Complete with a lanyard hole for easy carrying, this tool combines convenience and protection, all for around $25. The Kamsin KSC 760 hog ring gun is a powerful pneumatic tool designed to streamline fastening tasks like securing wire fences, assembling car seats, or setting up cages. With its 16-gauge hog rings and a closure diameter of 3.0 to 4.8 millimeters, this gun makes repetitive fastening easy and reliable. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body and a tungsten steel muzzle, it's designed to last, while the ergonomic design minimizes fatigue. Whether you're working in automotive upholstery or on a farm, this tool ensures quick and secure fastening for around $220. The MoJack MJ750 XT lawn mower lift is designed to make maintaining your mower both safe and efficient. With a 750-pound front lifting capacity, it's perfect for lifting riding mowers, lawn tractors, and zero-turn models. This tool makes it easy to access the underside of your mower for essential tasks like sharpening blades and replacing belts. Its screw-jack system ensures stability with a safety lock pin, and it even folds flat for compact storage. Whether you lift it manually or with a power drill, the MJ750 XT offers convenience and durability, typically priced at around $450. The DeWalt FLEXVOLT 60-volt max pipe threader DCE 700X2 offers powerful cordless threading for pipes ranging from 1/2 inch to 2 inches. With a forward speed of 30 revolutions per minute and reverse speed of 40 revolutions per minute, it provides efficient operation. Weighing 19.98 pounds and delivering 1,400-watt peak power, it handles tough jobs while the E-clutch trademark system ensures safety by automatically stopping during a bind-up. The oil-resistant battery housing and patented pipe clamp make it durable and easy to set up. Ideal for plumbing and electrical professionals, and priced around $1,500. The SWISS+TECH sent 41,150. MegaMax 15-in-1 multi-tool is a highly versatile stainless steel folding tool built for durability and convenience. With 15 different functions including screwdrivers, wrenches, a pry bar, and even an LED flashlight, this compact tool weighing just 6.9 ounces is perfect for quick fixes, DIY projects, and daily tasks. Its lightweight design and portability make it easy to carry around, providing you with reliable solutions at your fingertips. Priced around $30, it's a handy companion for both casual users and professionals. The ToughBuilt 18-inch PVC Saw is crafted for efficiency, particularly when cutting plastic materials like PVC pipes. Its high-carbon steel blade, paired with a double-edged tooth design, ensures durability and fast cutting, making it an excellent tool for professionals, such as plumbers. The ergonomic, injection-molded handle offers comfort and control, while the metal blade housing enhances stability during use. Additionally, the saw features a built-in pencil holder and ruler in the handle for added convenience. Priced around $20, this saw is both practical and efficient for any plastic cutting task. The portable bearing packer is a simple yet highly effective tool designed to make bearing maintenance cleaner and faster. Instead of manually packing bearings by hand, this tool efficiently repacks them with fresh grease while simultaneously pushing out old grease, making the process mess-free. Its impact-resistant clear body allows you to easily monitor grease levels, and the dust cover keeps the grease uncontaminated during storage. Capable of packing bearings up to 3.5 inches in diameter, it's perfect for use in garages or workshops, and can be transported easily for on-the-go repairs. Priced around $28, it saves both time and hassle. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Extended Reach High-Speed Ratchet is crafted for professionals who need to tackle tight spaces without losing power or speed. Equipped with a brushless motor, this tool delivers up to 35 foot-pounds of torque and operates at 450 revolutions per minute, making it perfect for automotive and mechanical jobs that demand precision. Its extended reach adds an extra 3.25 inches, helping you access those hard-to-reach fasteners. Weighing only 2 pounds, with features like a variable speed trigger and an LED light, this ratchet offers both convenience and durability, all for around $250. Meet another game-changer tool, the MAXXT Burnishing Polishing Machine R7401, which is designed for tasks like restoring exterior wood, polishing metal, and surface conditioning. Powered by a 1,300-watt motor, it offers variable speeds from 900 to 3,200 revolutions per minute to handle various materials with precision. Its soft start feature ensures smooth operation, while the integrated dust collection system keeps the workspace cleaner. With an ergonomic handle for comfortable use, it's perfect for heavy-duty polishing and rust removal, and is priced at around $149. The Little Giant Jumbo Step IAA 375 pounds ladder is built for versatility and safety, making it perfect for home and small-scale projects. With a 375-pound weight capacity, it's crafted from lightweight aluminum and available in 2, 3, and 4-step models. The ladder's extra-wide, slip-resistant steps and feet ensure a secure experience, while the adjustable handrail offers added stability. The integrated top cap tray provides convenient storage for tools and accessories. Designed to meet OSHA and ANSI standards, this ladder is both durable and reliable, priced around $160. Ideal for tasks like home repairs or painting, it offers a sturdy yet portable solution. The Mantis XP 16-inch tiller is a powerful gas-powered tiller designed for larger gardens and tough soil conditions. Equipped with a 35cc Honda GX35 4-cycle engine, it has a 16-inch tilling width and can dig down to a depth of 10 inches, making it ideal for breaking new ground or preparing established gardens. Weighing only 34 pounds, it's easy to transport with foldable handles for convenient storage. The tines are durable enough to handle compacted soil and clay and can reverse for shallow cultivation. This tiller, priced at $699, is perfect for both home gardeners and professionals. The Worx WG583E blower vacuum mulcher is a versatile 3-in-1 tool designed to make yard maintenance easier and more efficient. It runs on a 40-volt power supply driven by two 20-volt batteries, part of the Worx PowerShare system, allowing for a cord-free, powerful performance. With an impressive airspeed of 335 kilometers per hour and 575 cubic meters per hour airflow, it efficiently clears leaves and debris, while the 12:1 mulching ratio helps reduce garden waste. Lightweight at 3.8 kilograms with batteries and equipped with an ergonomic handle, it's designed for comfortable extended use, making it an ideal choice for year-round garden care. Priced around $300, it's perfect for homeowners looking for a robust cordless solution. The Sharpal 103N All-in-One Tool Sharpener is a highly versatile sharpener designed to maintain various tools like knives, pruners, axes, scissors, and mower blades. It features 3 sharpening slots with preset optimal angles, along with a carbide bar for restoring dull edges and a ceramic bar for honing. The oversized soft grip handle ensures ease of use, even when wearing gloves, while the safety handguard adds protection. The non-slip rubber base provides stability, making it ideal for tasks like sharpening pruners, hedge shears, or larger tools like machetes. Priced around $24, this tool is perfect for garden maintenance and workshop use. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. And join us again soon to explore more amazing gadgets and tools. See you next time!